CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped here in Hodgenville, Kentucky. Yes, Hodgenville, Kentucky. I definitely want to say hello to everyone in Hodgenville, Kentucky. This is CJ the Traveler Man. As you know, I'm going to be the first person, yes, to go to every city, town, and village. Yes, in all over Kentucky, the whole state of Kentucky, you're going to see me every single where. And as you know, as it says on the sign here, welcome to the city of Hodgenville, the birthplace of Abraham Lincoln. Yes, Abraham Lincoln, which is the 16th president of the United States. So it's a little history fact. But I can also tell you a little bit about Hodgenville as well. So, Robert Hodgen, a Pennsylvanian native who moved to Virginia, who purchased 10,000 acres in 1789. After the Revolutionary War, when settled, started moving west, which was to today Kentucky, he built a mill on the site, which is here today, and the city was formally incorporated by the State Assembly on February 18, 1836. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveler Man. It's a little bit of history facts. I just want to say hello one more time to everybody in Hodgenville, Kentucky. We're going to go check out some stuff. So other than that, come on, man. We got to go. Like I said, I can't tell you one more time. We're going to have to turn this car around. Turn this car around. So other than that, let's go.